In front of me is iPad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Following that, hold this microphone at the bottom left corner and hit Enable Dictation in the pop-up. Following that, hit Not Now or Share in the second one and start typing. If you want to, after enabling dictation, you can click on microphone again, start typing one more time, and when you finished, click on keyboard icon at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!